Alright, this is my Google search project for CS50. I'll be showcasing the website I've developed, and we'll be reading the criteria, the specification we need to complete in order for a project to be graded. And I'll do as follows. So it says your website must meet the following requirements. Should have at least 3 pages, one for regular Google search, which is the index.html here I am on right now. One for Google image search, so there's the link up on the right hand side, and then one for Google advanced search, which is also in there. On the Google search page, there should be links in the upper right of the page to go to image search or advanced search. On each of the other 2 pages, there should be a link in the upper right to go back to Google search, which I've inserted. So we can go back to Google search from images, and we can go back from Google advanced search from the advanced tab. All right. On the Google search page, the user should be able to type in a query, click Google search, and be taken to the Google search results for that page. So let's try that with Harvard. Click Google search. You get the query just like Google does. All right, let's go back. Like Google's own, your search bar should be centered with rounded corners. The search button should also be centered and should be beneath the search bar, which it is. And also, I taken care of the responsiveness, so everything moves nicely. I'm not sure if OBS is recording this correctly, but I hope it is. Okay. Then on the Google image search page, users should be able to type in a query, click a search button, and be taken to the Google image search results for that page. So image search is here, also centered. Let's try Harvard again and see what we get. We get the query, and what actually made it possible to go directly to the images search was these key value pairs here on the get request. All right, let's go back. What else? On the Google advanced search page, the user should be able to provide the input for the following 4 fields taken from Google's own advanced search options. Find pages with all these words, with this exact word or phrase, any of these words, and none of these words. And then the 4 options should be stacked vertically, and all of the text fields should be left aligned. Okay, they are all left aligned. Consistent with Google's own CSS, the advanced search button should be blue with white text, and it is. When the advanced search button is clicked, the user should be taken to the search results page for their given query. So all these words, Harvard, I don't know, CS50, maybe I could do everything at once. This exact word or phrase, let's say David. Any of these words? Yeah, it's kind of silly to try and showcase them all, but I think the get request that will be sent to the URL there, that will be shown on the URL, will contain all of these key value pairs. So let's go ahead and say campus, and none of these words, which would include, I don't know, C#, and we click advanced search, we get all the key value pairs that we need in order to sort the search as requested by the user. All right. Oh, C#. Interesting. All right, that's what we get. Let's go back now. Add an I am feeling lucky button to the main Google search page. So main Google search page here. Consistent with Google's own behavior, clicking this link should take users directly to the first Google search result for the query, bypassing the normal results page. You may encounter a redirect notice when using the I am feeling lucky button. Not to worry, this is an expected consequence of a security feature implemented by Google. Okay, let's go. Brad, I'm feeling lucky. Redirect notice as stated on the specification of the problem. Okay, that's not well. It's redirecting us directly to Wikipedia for bread. All right, that seems to be working. When I go back, it just takes me to the notice again. And the CSS you write should resemble Google's own aesthetics, I think. I pulled that off. I mean, some elements are missing, clearly, from Google's own page, like footers or anything, but I think this is enough for the Project Zero's specifications. So thank you for your time, and thank you for grading this work.